I want to show you how you can use your landing page images to highlight your courses when doing promotional announcements. Your landing pages are set up to communicate a lot of information to your students when they go to the landing page. It is set up as a sales document. So why not take some of that information by using screenshots and bringing them into your promotional announcements to reinforce your messages? Now, here's a very good example from one instructor, and there's one thing on here I particularly like. At the top, he's got his course title, then he's put a link with the coupon in it. You know, when it says get link and you copy the whole link, he's put that in there. And then he's got this course image, but he's used some text writer to put on top of it only $20. So he's reinforcing the message with some really quirky writing, which I really like. The whole image is clickable because he's got a link on it. So if you click on the image, you actually go to the course. So he's reinforced the extra link there. And this is just part of his announcement, but I'm just showing you a real example that somebody's doing. But I want to show you how you can actually take this idea further, because you've got the whole of your landing page to look at, and there's lots of things you can do on it. So here's one of my copywriting courses, and that's the main bit at the top of the landing page, and you can put the whole thing in. It's quite a lot of information on it, quite a lot of detail. So you're communicating a lot of information in the image, which is a good thing. Perhaps it's a bit overwhelming, but that's a good starting point. But how about just using the piece in the top left-hand corner, which you can see on the screen now? Here you've still got the title, the subtitle, the rating, the numbers of reviews, the numbers of students enrolled, and the last updated date. And you've got lots of information in there. And that's really helpful, and it's presented in a way that's aesthetically pleasing and impactful. Alternatively, you can take the box on the right-hand side, because it's got the price in it, although ideally you want the original price. If you can find a time when Udemy is not running a promotion, as they were when I did this screenshot, and then you could put your own markers using keyword or Keynote or PowerPoint. You could put your own discount sign over the top, maybe with a stop sign and a cross on it, and then your new price in big letters in red. But you've got the buy button there, and you've got a summary of the course. So there's a lot here. It really reinforces your call to action. And of course, if you add the link, which is your promotional link, to this image, if somebody clicks on the image, and they're invited to do that by the promo video button at the top, then it'll take them to the course and to the offer. So that's actually quite good. But why not go to the bottom of your landing page where you have all the student feedback laid out? And you can use the information there because it summarizes the course. You can see lots of ratings, and they show 3 reviews. And one of the reviews actually, in this case, is only a 4-star review, but that's credible because it's real. It also shows your engagement because you can see where you've commented on the reviews, which is really helpful. In fact, I've noticed here I've got one review here which I haven't commented on, which I must go back and comment on because I try and comment on all my reviews. But you've got a lot of credibility building information here, and that's really helpful. So that's something to think about when you're looking to build up your announcement as to what elements you can put in. And you can go to your landing page and grab all this information and use it to promote the course that you're particularly promoting at that time. So your landing page is a great source of images which you can use to highlight your course when you send out a promotion for that course. So think about it constructively, go and grab the screenshots and then use them when it's appropriate for a particular promotion.